When people talk about LinkedIn visibility, they usually mean activity, posting more, commenting more, showing up more often. But discovery doesn't work like that anymore, and in truth, I'm not sure it ever did. Discovery is not about how loud you are, it's about how easily you can be understood. Today, discovery happens in two places at once. First, in the minds of people, often very quickly and often with limited attention. And second, inside systems, search, recommendation, and increasingly AI. Both are trying to answer the same question: who is this person and why should I pay attention? If that answer is unclear, discovery stops. And this is where many experienced professionals quietly lose ground. They have depth, they have history, they have leadership responsibility, but their LinkedIn presence reflects everything they've ever done rather than what they're actually known for now. Discovery doesn't reward range, it rewards relevance, and relevance comes from clarity. When someone lands on your profile or when a system scans it, they're not looking for a full biography. They're looking for signals. What domain do you operate in? What problems do you work on? Who are you useful to? If those signals are diluted, discovery becomes accidental. This is particularly important for senior professionals because your work is often complex and multi-layered. You don't have a single job, you hold influence, responsibility, context. But complexity still needs translation. The mistake many people make is assuming their experience speaks for itself. It doesn't. Discovery is not a reward for tenure. It's the result of articulation. Another shift that matters here is that discovery is no longer driven by keywords alone. Yes, language still matters, but it's not about stuffing terms into your profile. It's about coherence. Do your headline, summary, experience, and activity all point in the same direction? Would someone else describe you the same way you describe yourself? Because that alignment is what makes you findable by people and by AI. There's also a leadership dimension that often goes unnoticed. If your role involves influence, trust, or decision-making, discovery is not about visibility for its own sake. It's about being discoverable for the right reasons. You don't need everyone to find you. You need the right people to recognize you. Discovery done well creates calm. It removes the need to constantly explain yourself. It reduces misalignment. It attracts conversations that are already part-way informed. So if you're thinking about discovery through the Linkability Blueprint, the question is not how do I get seen more? It's what do people and systems need to clearly understand about me immediately? That is where discovery starts. And when discovery is right, everything else in the blueprint has something solid to build on.